Reach up in there and tighten those screws up for me, okay? Timmy is helping Daddy fix his truck today, aren't you?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
You got it?
Kind of.
Kind of? Okay, turn it really hard. Did you take your vitamins so you were strong enough to help?
Almost one more vitamin.
One more, okay. Got to take his last vitamin so he's strong enough to help. All right, buddy. Now you got the muscles to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I have my longest arm to reach it.
And you got your longest arm to reach it. Okay, did you get it? There we go. Put it on there, tighten it up. Is that hard work?
Yeah.
Did you get it?
No, that is too sharp and so